All right, guys, another day at the dealership. We got a new car. Actually, this guy just dropped it off not too long ago. Oh, frick. I only paid $600-800 for it, which is kind of impressive. You know what? I actually was going to upload a Volkswagen Beetle video, but whatever. Screw that. Let's go look at this new car that I just picked up the other day. Oh, Mustang. Baby blue Mustang. Oh, with the manual transmission. So the guy I bought this car from was actually a car flipper as well. He said he paid $5 for it. We paid $600-800 for this V8 manual Mustang. 2010. It's kind of nice. It's been resprayed though, and the paint job ain't the best. But other than that, man, this thing's kind of clean. Front grille it's a little wonky, but I really don't think it's bad. $600-800 for a 2010 burnout road rigging digging thing, bro. What? I'll for sure make some more videos with this thing, but I'm not driving it home just yet. Well, I mainly didn't drive it home the other day because it wasn't clean. I just cleaned it today, but I'm gonna ride home with my mom today, so I ain't gonna drive it. But it looks so nice. It really does. I don't know if I should keep buying these cars and going for muscle cars and all sports cars. Currently, I got a 350Z. I got this Mustang. I got a Honda Accord, I got a Toyota Camry, and we're looking at picking up a Ford Fusion on Wednesday and maybe a CR-V. That's kind of where we're at with our options right now. But this thing is so freaking nice. Honestly, this is my second Mustang and I loved them. I would own another Mustang just for myself. I need a truck, so I got to get that next. Here's a Mustang, and these are all the trade offers I've gotten for this Mustang. Let's start this out strong. Oh man, 3.5 EcoBoost F-150. That was a pretty bad trade offer, honestly. I'm gonna pass. Next up, we got this convertible New Edge Mustang. I've been motor swapped, stage 3 clutch, short throw shifter, cold air intake, halo lights. Pass. I really just don't want a convertible for it. And honestly, that's kind of really a downgrade from 2010 to 2001. That's 9 years. Next up, we got this 2025 Triumph Daytona 660 with only 2,000 miles on it. It's cool. It looks good. Next up, we got this Yamaha R1 2013 with only 28,000 miles on it. I mean, I don't know bikes like that. It may be worth it. I have no idea if it's worth it or not. 2011 Scion TC has cold air intake, exhaust, 120,000 miles on it, hail damage, and a rebuilt title. Pass. 335i Coupe, burble tune with it. That's not bad, but just not what I want. Next up, we got this 7.3 diesel Ford. It's cool if he wasn't all the way in Florida. I'm not driving all the way to Florida to trade. Would you be willing to trade a 2007 Harley Davidson Electra Glide? He said motorcycle still books for around $13,000. I'm not sure how much they book for, but I'm gonna pass. Next up, we got this V6 Camaro. It has 200,000 miles on it. It's a manual though. I'm gonna pass. That's a pretty bad trade offer. Next up, we got this 2012 335i. I don't really know how much these go for, but I'm gonna pass. And my Amazon delivery here. Next up, I got this Maserati. He didn't tell me nothing about it other than it was a Maserati. All right, next up, we got this BRZ that's tuned. It really does look good. It's not a bad car. I don't know. He's all the way in Knoxville, Tennessee, which from Gaffney is 8 hours. I'm not driving damn near 8 hours. Next up, we got this 2006 Ford F-150. It was originally a 5.4, switched over to a 4.6 with only 100,000 miles. Salvage title. What the heck? Pass. And those are all the trades. Not a whole lot of trades. Not a whole lot of interactions on Facebook either. So I might just have this up for too much or whatever, but I'll probably just run this through the Facebook. No, I'll probably just run this through the dealer's auction. I don't want to deal with it. I want quick cash, and it does not appear to be moving quick. So I'm probably just gonna run it through, hopefully sell it for around $8,000. We sell it for $8,000. We go get more Copart cars. We could probably get around 3 different Copart cars with $8,000. I mean, I got stuff out there like that Honda Accord I don't want no more. Camry's fine. I haven't had the Camry long. I have a 350Z in the shop right now that needs a new throttle body. And Monday I plan on buying a 370Z that has rear end damage and quarter panel damage. So that's currently the situation we're in. It's Friday, August something, 22nd. But I gotta put this starter in the Camry, and so this is gonna be annoying. I'll keep you guys updated with everything, how it goes. So we'll run it through the auction. I'll probably record my reaction to see how much it sells for at the auction. But hopefully this thing will clear. And I really think this is gonna go for 85 or 8 grand. I'm hoping. I at least need 72 just to make 200 bucks. So that's really all I need. We're looking at an F-250, wrecked F-250. We got to pick up our 370Z that we fucking overpaid for. Fuck that fucking car. That video probably won't even be out before this comes out, but yes, we got a 370Z. It's wrecked. I'll be making a whole Copart video and transformation on it because that's what I'm getting into. And I'm trying to learn wraps. I don't know if you guys have anything for wraps. I don't know exactly how wraps work. If you got any wrapping tips, please send them my way. I'm trying to start up a wrap shop and a Starlight shop. Because we could do Starlight. Come down to me. We can do Starlights, but it's just kind of a pain. I kind of don't want to deal with it. But I'm about to watch this Mustang right now, and then I was supposed to be picking up a 370Z bumper today, but I'm not sure exactly how well that's going to go anymore. I'm honestly not sure how well this is going to go, but I need it to go good because I need another car. I currently have this Mustang, BMW, this Camry, and this Honda Accord, which still needs more work. The radio, currently it doesn't start, the battery's dead. Something is on, I think it's the trunk. The trunk, I don't think the trunk fully recognizes that it's closed. I'm not sure though, but the battery is dead. One sold last week at the dealer's auction for 9,200 and I paid 68. So if I could get at least 8 grand, I would be very happy. Well guys, I got somebody coming tomorrow for it. They're coming for 9 grand. I was gonna run this thing through the dealer's auction, just get quick cash. They said they'll be here at 9 a.m. so I guess we'll be here for that. It is what it is. I get money out of it. I can buy the 370Z now. Oh, it all works out actually. But this thing will be gone hopefully at 9 a.m. There they go. They're headed out. Alright guys, so currently the car is 6 cars away from being listed on the auction. They're taking a slight break for something, I don't know. But we got 6 more cars and I'll inform y'all back whenever I get 6 more. They got it up for super cheap. $450. The Honda Accord or the BMW sold for $450. Let's go. Mustang next. Next. Nobody's bidding. 55. 56. Okay, now we're moving. 67, 68, 69, 7,000, 71, 72. Okay, we're already profit. Oh my god. Oh my god, 8,000. 83. Oh my god. 86. 8,700 sold for 8,700. Holy fucking moly. Alright guys, with that Mustang, we did end up making about 700. Whoa, we did end up making about 1,700 bucks. Pretty good profit considering most of everything I get is normally 500 to 1,000 bucks. Starting to get into Copart a little bit. I've already bought a 370, a GMC, a Silverado. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all want to see more videos like this, just subscribe.